Want to sign in or out of your Facebook account? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to log in and log out of Facebook on the mobile app. Now let's get started. To log into the Facebook app, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can download it for free from the App Store. In the top text box, type in your email address or phone number, depending on which you used to create your account. Enter your Facebook password in the bottom text box. Then tap Login. When you're done using Facebook and want to log out, click your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll to the bottom and tap Log Out. To confirm, tap Log Out in the pop-up window. If you've previously logged into your Facebook account on this device, you can sign back in by tapping Continue under your profile picture. If you don't want your login information to be saved, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Remove Profiles from this device. That's all it takes to log in and out of Facebook on the mobile app. Want to learn more about using Facebook? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.